Welcome guys, we are back, and today we are going to be making chicken parmesan that is going to absolutely melt in your mouth. Okay, so we're going to just get right to it. So we got some simple ingredients here. Okay, this is 1 pound of chicken, simple chicken cutlets, nothing special, just chicken cutlets. Okay, and we're going to pound them down so you know we can flatten them out a little bit. If you get a chicken breast, you can always fillet it. We're not doing that. We're keeping it simple, okay? I forgot. I get a little whoop sometimes, but chicken cutlet. Get the chicken cutlets, 1 pound, okay, of chicken cutlets, 1 cup of Italian-style breadcrumb, okay? Got that? One cup of Italian-style breadcrumbs? But that's not good enough for me because, you know, these fake Italian things, oh, we make Italian breadcrumbs. Yeah, you make your sister's ass. They don't make Italian breadcrumbs. So we're going to put 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper in there into those. You know what? We're going to throw it in right now. How's that, guys? Huh? We throw that in there. Okay. Remember, 1 cup. We're going to have the ingredients all at the end of the video, so don't get excited. Okay. 1 cup of breadcrumbs. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of this is actually sea salt. No iodine. Although iodine, they say is healthy for you, but you know. We're not getting crazy on the salt because we got the cheese. We got 3 nice heaping tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, okay? It's not mozzarella, it's Parmesan, okay? That's all dried out, aged. That's 3 teaspoons. Excuse me, 3 tablespoons, all right? Take that, we're gonna throw it in there, right? What do? We throw it in. I just got some on the floor. And that's it. We're going to put it in here. We're going to mix it up. Nice. Mix it up. Nice. There you go. See? Okay. All right. Do this a little bit. Mix it up. Yeah. Okay. That's that. Remember, sea salt. Best salt you can buy. I love it. Tastes wonderful. Crushed black pepper. Okay. We got olive oil. Excuse me, not olive oil, not for this. Olive oil is too expensive for this. So you're going to want to put vegetable oil in with the cutlets on the stove. And what I have on the stove, okay, come on over here, guys. What I have, I already preheated it so we don't have to wait, so we can blow right through this, okay? That's about 1 cup of vegetable oil, okay? And, you know, you just need to put like maybe 1/4 inch on the bottom of the pan because you don't want to deep fry them. You just want to saute them, you know. You're not sauteing them, you're frying them, but you're not going to deep fry them and waste all this oil. You got to figure out where you're going to throw it. You know, I'll probably throw mine in my neighbor's house, but I didn't say that. Okay? Take 2 eggs. I got one in here already. We'll take another one. Watch Luigi the Italian cooking guy. Huh? No shells. Oh, no shells. Those will mess up your garbage disposal. Okay? Splash of water. My brother Mark, kiss my ass. You telling me, oh shit, there is a shell in there. Shh. Stop the Z. There was no shell. Just kidding. Okay, we're gonna beat it a little bit. Okay, very simple, very simple recipe. Very simple. You know, everybody loves chicken parm. It's like a staple. Not even just for Italians, for anybody and everybody. So today we're gonna make some chicken parmesan. You can make the cutlets. You can make plain cutlets. Put a little lemon juice on them, a little lettuce, tomato, and slap a little mayo on a hard roll or a nice little Italian bread over it, nice and fresh, huh? Guys, I haven't done this in a long time. Does it really look like I'm eating it? No. Okay. I'm sorry. So just a splash of water, 2 eggs. You just want to coat these. Okay, the chicken cutlets. I got plastic wax paper. Is that usually in this house? Absolutely not. No. We don't, no. It's left over for some cooking stuff. I bake something, I don't know. But I wash my hands about 60 times for the video. You guys know that I'm a little OCD. A little crazy, a little OCD, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. But, okay, we're going to fold it over. Not everybody has wax paper, but pretty much everybody has cellophane, saran wrap. Okay? You can lay the saran wrap down and do the exact same thing. Wax paper, you don't have to, if I was using saran wrap, I would sprinkle a little water on there so when you take the saran wrap off, it doesn't stick and the chicken's pulling everywhere. All right, I haven't, we're just gonna beat this. This is a tenderizing side for meat, regular meat, poultry, or anything you just wanna spread out and flatten. Okay? See that cutlet? See how big it's getting? It's getting real big. That's why you don't need a lot of chicken. Depending upon how many people you're making it for, if you're gonna make it for sandwiches, or what you're gonna do. You know, if you're making it for sandwich, then, you know, you don't need too many. But you're gonna make it for a meal, you probably want a little bit more. I cut this in half, all right? Yeah, I know I'm cutting the wax paper. That's right for you wise guys out there. That's right. Yep. But it's keeping it simple, right? Right. Okay, so we're doing this. Just bread it. There's some breadcrumb on there. Remember, most important thing is make sure you mix this, okay, to get all the salt and all that stuff mixed in, and especially the Parmesan cheese. You can use Romano, whatever you got, whatever you like. All right, what are we gonna do? We're gonna throw it in, huh? Hold on, Ashbeth. Let me show you guys, because a lot of guys, how do you know when the oil's ready? Here's how you know when the oil's ready. Let's see. It fries up like that, a little bit of egg. Boom. That's it, fries up. Don't shoot out to the stove. That's okay, we'll take care of it. Okay? So you know the oil's ready. You throw in the cutlet. We'll turn it up a little bit. Turn it to the 4. Turn it down to the 4. Okay, I'm going to bread this other cutlet over here. Okay? Really simple. Simple recipe, huh? Look at that. It smells good. I tell you, the breadcrumb smells good too. Not bad, huh? You guys like it? Nice, huh? Okay, we're gonna fry these up. And since I'm gonna keep this nice and sweet and short for you guys, so we could just blow right through it, and when you guys at home, you don't have to waste too much time watching the video, all the nonsense, this, that, and the other thing. Let that cook. Okay, guys, so we got those in there. They're cooking up. Just a few minutes on each side, depending upon the thickness of them and the temperature of your oil, okay? So it's all, you gotta use discretion. When they feel like they're getting firm and brown like that, they're done. Well, that side is done. So the other side is obviously not gonna have to cook as long, okay? So I'm gonna get a couple more, I'm gonna throw them in. Because now they will shrink down a little bit. And guys, you could do veal cutlets and veal Parmesan the same way. Okay, so I don't have to make 2 videos because you're getting the best of both worlds. I'm with Luigi over here. Don't worry about it. Let me tell you something. You guys are with me. You're at home. You got questions, concerns, ask me. We make it easy over here. All right? Let's check. See? They brown up nice. Okay? You give those another minute. You steal my cheese. You drink my wine. You even take my girl. Oh! I didn't know you. Are we? Oh, you guys are just in time. We're taking the cutlets off, okay? Taking them off. They're done. All right? That's nice, huh? That's nice. Huh? Look at that. Look at that, huh? Look at that cutlet. Look at that. Put them, guys, I put the paper down there, the napkin, paper towel, whatever you want to use. What do we call it? I don't give a shit. Put it down there to get this vegetable oil off of these things. We don't need any more heart clogging up stuff. There's enough stuff in the world to make us ill. So we're gonna back it up and look at that, huh? Look at that. That looks beautiful. Don't you just want to sink your teeth into those things right now? Oh, forget about it, huh? Oh, Ashbeth. Vinegar. Look at this. Look at this, huh? Huh? We got a nice gravy over here, huh? Look at that. Get in there. Pull on. You guys see these short ribs over here. Oh, I'm sorry. Sauce. Ashbeth. Pull. Sauce. Huh? Oh, it just fell right off the bone. Guess what? When we're done over here, guys, I'm going to sink my teeth right into that son of a bitch right there. I'm going to sink it right in. Short ribs in a sauce makes it. I don't think I ever did a sauce video for you guys, but we're going to do one. We're going to do one because you guys got to eat. You got to eat to be big and strong like Luigi, huh? Just, Chef Luigi, he taught me how to eat. Make me big, make me strong. Okay. Back to cooking. Chicken parm. You're going to coat the bottom of the pan with the sauce. Okay? Shut up. No. Nice. A little bit more. Nice. Look at those chunks in there, huh? Ooh, those short ribs really look good. Do you guys mind if I take like 5-10 minutes just to eat a couple? Can't do that, huh? Okay. All right. Simple. Chicken parm. one of the easiest dishes you could possibly prepare, and one of the most delicious. Just lay them down over here. Nice and nice, Luigi. You do nice, huh? Oh, forget about it. I do the best, baby. The best! Oh. Look at that, huh? We got our Sargento's cheese over there. That's breadcrumb. Oof. Forget about it. Breadcrumb's gonna make it. That's what's gonna make this delicious. Look at that. Nice. Oof. Oh, maybe save this one for myself. I'll eat it up nice while I'm waiting for this to cook. Okay? All right. So I'm not kidding, guys. I'm gonna eat that up. Actually. Chicken parm, coat the bottom with the sauce. This is all gonna be at the end of the video again, guys. Come on over here. I'll put a little bit on top. Dress it up nice. Okay. Okay. Not too much sauce, Luigi. No. Okay. I forgot to preheat the oven. Let's see. Let's throw this on over here. Bake. 350 is good. Bake. Start. Preheat. Good. I think I got it that time. Bring it back over here. Okay. Now you're already gonna have the grated cheese on there from the breadcrumbs, so we don't need to add it on top. Of course, if you're a cheese freak, you could. I love cheese. Sargento is one of my favorite. Huh? I love it, huh? I'm not representing. I'm just saying, not for nothing. You guys make a hell of a freaking cheese. I'm not even kidding. This is good shit over here. I wouldn't steer you guys wrong, huh? Just a little bit. Oh, Luigi, you said a little bit. What the hell's going on over here? All right. 350. The oven's preheating. I'm going to throw it in. As soon as the cheese starts to melt, guess what? Avonut. It's done. We're going to throw it in. And the next thing you guys are going to see is that thing finally completing and me throwing them down my throat like they're freaking Tic Tacs. All right? I'll see you in a minute. Okay, it should be ready. About 15 minutes or so. Preheat the oven, 350. Put the cheese in, throw it in. Just keep an eye on it, guys, because people's ovens some go heat quicker than others. So we'll say 12 to 15 minutes, 350, nothing crazy. You ready? Drum roll? Can I get a drum roll? No, no drum roll. All right. Who's yelling? What are you yelling at me for? She yells at me without even talking. Okay? Look at this, huh? Come on, tell me your mouth isn't watering right about now. Huh? Tell me that. I'm probably gonna burn myself. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Let's turn this off. Clear. Look at that. Now, the true test is coming. Huh? Oh, that is freaking hot. Do not lift it out of the oven with this. Use a pot holder because it's hot. This looks, well, you know how it looks. Looks fantastic. Okay. I'm gonna make a nice little spoulette as soon as we're done filming over here, because I'm gonna throw it right down the throat. Okay. Let me get a little warm here. The rest of it's going on my sandwich. No. Okay. Look at that. Look at that cheese. Look at that. Look at that. Come on, I want more sauce. Look at that. Look at that, huh? That's right. Nice. You got a little bit of sauce. You got cheese. Hold on. You ready? Here, you guys eat it. Ah! Mmm. Incredibly hot. Incredibly delicious. Definitely a crowd pleaser. So, if you want to skip it and use, well, substitute, you don't want to make your own sauce, I'm not going to tell you what to do. So, this is Luigi the Italian Cooking Guy coming at you with a staple to the Italian community, the chicken Parmesan. You can put it over pasta, you can eat it on a sandwich, you can eat it any way you want. You can eat it by itself, okay? We'll be getting another video up and running soon. Make sure when you go to my page, you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, so every time we make a new video or something, you guys are aware of it. All right. This is Luigi, the Italian Cooking Guy, coming at you from somewhere in Florida with some fresh oranges that I just picked yesterday, saying, Eat well, stay well. Salute and state bon, my paisans.